Hi guys, this is Tony. Here comes Union Pacific hopper car train, and I'm done. I'm done for tonight. Unfortunately, we left two trains short on the other side from Colonel San Marcos. So I do apologize for missing those trains, whether they're special or not. I'll apologize anyway. Unfortunately, I have to go because unfortunately it's too late for anything else. So, but here he comes. So, all right, see what we got here. It's got a real fresh zero horn that I like. Alright. 2558. There we go. Well, there goes a Northbound Union Pacific hopper car train going by. My coverage has expired, even though there are two more norths around Kyle Syntax. Unfortunately, I won't get them due to how late it is, so I do apologize for that. But see you guys tomorrow. Note that there's some points of tomorrow may not have enough time after we're done with the morning Amtrak, but planning to be back later after we're done with stuff. So we'll see what I can do. Have a good one. Bye bye.